Linear equations can be written in many forms. One of them is called the point-slope form, which basically looks like y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. Where really what we're plugging in for is a point, so there's our x and our y value, and our slope, thus the name point slope. Those are the things that we need. We need a point and we need to know the slope. If we have those two key ingredients or two pieces of information, we can go ahead and write out our point slope form, and then we could use that for other things to translate that later. So let's go ahead and look at an example of what they might give us. So they may give us something like, let's say they gave us a point, so our xy, which is the point 2, 5, and they gave us a slope, which they could write out as m, or they might write it out as the actual word slope equals -4. So we've got our point, we have our slope. We now need to just go ahead and write this in standard form. So what they want us to do for this is write in point slope form. We'll talk about standard form later. So they want us to write this in point slope form. So we have our information. So let's go ahead then and go and translate this over. Let's see what that would look like. So again, we're plugging into y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. And really, we're leaving the y where it is. We're going to put a minus there. We're going to have our parentheses. We'll have our x and our minus. And now we're going to start plugging in the information we know. So our value for x is 2. Our value for y was 5. And the slope they gave us was -4. So now we have this written out in point slope form. We could then use that to convert, switch it over to either standard form or slope intercept form. But for right now, that's all it looks like.